Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. I'm going to review the matte lip liquid colors from The Body Shop. I just love this brand. As you all know that The Body Shop is known to have the products which have natural ingredients. They are cruelty free. I have been using these colors from a few years. It really does contain the ingredients which my skin loves. So let's move on to the details and my experience with these. Let me share a unique thing about these lip colors. They have names of different cities from the world and I find it quite interesting. I can easily pick out the shades by their names. I got 6 shades from their collection, all of them are my favorite. Their names are Cyprus, Goa, Nairobi, Tokyo, Tuscany, and Taipei. Let's come to the packaging. The packaging is quite simple and lightweight. The bottom is plain plastic and shows the shade. The cap is velvety matte, which signifies the matte collection. The shade of the tube is slightly different from the actual shade. The wand is slim and the slanting applicator makes it easy to apply. It smells like a candy or a sweet. The quantity is 8 ml. It is formulated without petroleum, gluten, and carmine. The lip colors are very creamy and glide on the lips like a gloss but settles into a matte finish with a velvety feel. Time for the swatches now. I'll apply the first one. It is Cyprus. It's a gorgeous pinkish orange shade and looks so bright. Next shade is Goa. It's a gorgeous purple shade. It's really beautiful. It looks pure deep purple and would suit almost all skin tones. Third one is Nairobi. This is a light mauve pink shade and is perfect for everyday use. It's a perfect nude shade. Next one is Tokyo. This is a neon pink shade. It looks beautiful on fairer to medium skin tones. This one might look too bright on darker or dusky skin tones. Now I'll show you the swatch of Tuscany. It's a dark brown with a little touch of maroon. It's great for occasions or outings. The last one here is Taipei. This one is a light pink or Barbie pink shade. I just love this one. Look at all these gorgeous shades. When I applied them, they were creamy. Now they have settled into a matte finish with velvety feel completely. These colors feel so comfortable on the lips. They don't feel dry or chapped. Their long-lasting technology let them stay for many hours with no need of retouch. After your meal, you just need a little touch-up. The lines are not seen on the lips. They look plumpy and youthful for long. Don't forget to moisturize your lips before applying these colors. For a more long-lasting finish, you can apply the second layer too. I simply love using these lip colors. The best thing is that they are very lightweight. They don't feel heavy at all. Even if I use them for hours, my lips don't become dry. They don't become cracky. It doesn't transfer unless you rub it hard. I'm highly satisfied with this product. You can remove it so easily with a wet cloth or a makeup remover. Overall, these lip colors are great and I would recommend you to try them out. You need to check the swatches as the shade might differ from the tube. Just check out the fifth one, Tuscany. It's slightly different from the shade of the tube. So you need to check out the swatches before buying. These lip colors are available at all Body Shop stores and online. They are not expensive. The price is 45 Saudi Riyals. So I hope you all enjoyed watching my video and it was helpful for you all. Give it a big thumbs up and let me know your favorite shades from their collection in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't and share my video too. See you all in the next video. Have a great day. Much love and stay blessed.